So we're going to make an inverse. So inverse is change the y and the x and resolve. So y equals x over x plus 2. All right. So we got to switch. I think the best way to do this here. So I get x equals y over y plus 2. I guess let's see me think here is how I'm going to do this. Y equals x times y plus 2. Y equals xy plus 2x. I think this is going to work. xy. Y minus xy equals 2x. Of course, this has to be incredibly complicated because why wouldn't it? 1 minus x equals 2x. Divide by 1 minus x. Divide by 1 minus x. Y equals 2x over 1 minus x. And that answer better be there. Of course, they even had to make it even uglier. Great. So then they did this. We're going to take out a -1 just because why not? So we're going to get 2x over -1 times x times, let's do this the right way, -1 plus x, all right, which is, I'm going to take this and divide it. So -2x over x minus 1. That's a really ridiculous question. -2x over x minus 1. I would not expect a ton of you to get that right. That's all impossible inverse question. You could put them in the calculator and see if the x's and y's switch. All right, so xy should then become the opposite to one of these. All right, so always remember that that's what the inverse does. In your back pocket, it switches these things around. So one of these is going to switch them around. So you could go to your calculator and do that because that's an ugly, ugly problem. That's a really high level math problem to be able to go through and do that. So I'm thinking that one probably I take my calculator if I'm stuck and I have nothing else to do and I'm trying to do something I know inverse switches x and y values. So I would put this yellow equation into there, put the x's and y's down, and then I would put each choice in one at a time. And when I get this, the x's and y values would be switched completely. Really easy to tell from the calculator. So it's definitely an option if I'm stuck on something like this.